How to track your finances, expenses, and budgeting using Money Manager X. To start is you need to download the app. If you already have the app, then you can now go open it. After installing the app, it will redirect you to this page right here. To track money coming in and coming out, you need to press the little red icon on the bottom right to track your income and expenses. After pressing the little red button, it will redirect you to this page right here. Here you can edit your cash amount and other amounts that involves your money. After adding your expenses and transaction, you will go back to the main page and press the button in the upper right corner. This page will allow you to track the money that comes in and out to your account. You can even customize it to card only, cash only, and to your bank accounts only. And that is all on how to track personal finances, expenses, and budgeting using Money Manager X.